हेलो बच्चे लोग, once again your Dipti Nani is back with a story, and today I am going to tell you a story of an elephant and an ant. Once upon a time there lived an elephant in jungle. You know, elephant is a very big animal, and this elephant was very proud about himself. He thought that he was very mighty, he was very huge, he was very big, and he was very powerful. So he looked down upon all the small animals and birds and insects in the jungle. He talked in a very bad way with all small animals and small birds and insects. One day when he was passing by, he saw that there was one parrot on tree, and the parrot was singing. When the elephant passed, he said, "Hey parrot, what are you doing? Why don't you salute me when I am passing by? You know how big am I, how powerful I am." And the parrot said, "Why should I salute you? You are not the king of jungle. And even if you are the king, without any reason, why should I salute you?" So the elephant got very angry. He got very wild. And what he did, he just shook the tree with all the power, with all the efforts, and he brought down the tree on which the parrot was sitting. Now it was problem for parrot where to sit and where to sleep, but the parrot could not do anything. Then the elephant went ahead and he went near the river. Whenever he went near the river, he used to sprinkle the water on small insects like ants with his trunk, and small insects could not do anything. When he went near the river to drink water, he saw one ant was taking something in her mouth. So he asked, "Hey ant, what are you taking in your mouth?" So and the ant said, "I am taking some food. I have to collect and preserve everything for winter and rains." So the elephant said, "Whatever is there with you, just give me." The ant said, "No, no, no, I cannot give you." So the ant started moving hurriedly, and the elephant just took some water in his trunk and sprayed at the ant. Now the ant is such a small thing, so it got very scared, and she also lost her balance little bit, but still she started moving. But she decided to teach a lesson to this proud elephant. So one day when this elephant was sleeping in the afternoon near the river, the ant slowly went near him, and she entered the trunk of the elephant, and she started moving inside the trunk, and the elephant was fast asleep. He got very irritated, but he couldn't do anything. Then she started giving him the small bite, and now the elephant was really disturbed and upset and irritated, and he said, "Who is there inside my trunk? Who is doing all this? Who is troubling me? Please come out, come out, come out." But the ant did not come out. Then the elephant shook his head here and there, moved his trunk here and there, but the ant did not come out. Then he started screaming and he started, "Please come out, who is there inside my trunk? Please come out, please don't trouble me." And at last the ant came out, and the elephant was surprised to see this little ant troubling him so much. And he said, "Ant, you had been troubling me so much." So the ant said that it was not my intention to trouble you. I am not your enemy, but you are troubling all the small beings in the jungle. So I wanted to teach you a lesson. So I went inside your trunk. So the elephant realized his mistake. He apologized with the and with his two legs in the front, and he said, "Sorry, my dear friend ant. Today onwards, I will not trouble anybody who is smaller than me, and I will not be proud about myself, and I'll be humble and helping to everybody." And that day onwards, the ant and the elephant became good friends. So, what do you learn from the story? We learn from the story is that whatever potential we have, if we are very clever, we are wealthy, or we are very beautiful, or we are handsome, we should not be proud about ourselves, and we should not look down upon anybody. All are equal. God has created all the beings on earth, and we should be friendly and nice to everybody, because if you are proud about yourself, the pride never stays, it brings your downfall. If you like my story, like, share, and subscribe if you have not. And do remember, subscription is totally free. And take care, study well till I come with a new story. Bye. Love you.